Hi guys, it's Yanami and welcome to my channel. If you like Game of Thrones, dragons, makeup transformation, keep watching, and if you don't, check out my other videos. With no further ado, let's get started. First, we need to glue our eyebrows with a washable glue stick. Brush eyebrows, apply as many layers of glue as needed until your eyebrows will be smooth and without any texture. Pat eyebrows with your fingers and smooth it out. Don't worry about your brows, the glue will wash out quick with no damage to the brows. Just make sure that you have washable glue. When I planned this tutorial, I took a photo of mine and draw a dragon above. Now we apply an even surface for the makeup. Take few pumps of your favorite matte foundation, warm it up in your hands and apply it all over including your eyebrows. Take concealer to erase your eyebrows. Feel free to layer it up. Do as many layers of eyebrows as needed. I applied 2 layers, but as you see, it could be even better with 3 or 4 layers. Lock in cream base with translucent powder. Once we have an even skin tone, let's apply our base green color. You will need few shades of green for the dragon makeup. For the base, pick the lightest. I will apply it all over my face, neck and shoulders, excluding area around eyes, chin and front of the neck. Prepare for the quick jumps as my battery died, but I will explain all steps you missed. Here's what I've done. I use cranberry color around eyes. You should press it with your fingers into the eyebrows for smooth texture and good blending. Take your green color that's 1 or 2 shades darker than your base color and apply it around neck using your stencil. Now take a brown eyeliner and draw your dragon nose and dragon forehead. When you draw nostrils, go a little bit inside for more realistic look. Waterproof matte eyeliner works the best for spikes on your dragon forehead. As you see, I've done some pre-drawing with light brown pencil just to see where I should put my main lines. Here I'm trying to show how I draw this part. Also here I'm drawing some deep mouth wrinkles on my top lip. I put concealer on my bottom lip to set up foundation for dragon gums and teeth. Let's move to the nose. I use green shimmery eyeshadow and I will use stripe of small scales from dragon skin stencil. To get the best of your stencil, you need to press it really hard to your skin. I will color a straight line of small scales all the way up to my hairline. Voila! For dragon cheeks, use large scales on the stencil and color it with an angle. Also color your skin with small scales next to the spike lines on your forehead and large scales between them. Draw spikes around center line of small scales on your forehead, following with middle spikes and around eyes. Oh, I forgot to draw scales between nose and bottom lips, and now I will continue to draw a dimension and dragon wrinkles on my top lip. I overline spikes on the bottom of my cheeks and dragon neck with brown eyeliner. Time for the teeth. Major part of my bottom lip will be the dragon's gum, so I draw teeth directly under my lip. I will color the space between teeth with brown for depth. Teeth should look very scary, spiky and uneven like dragon mist orthodontist visits because, you know, he's a dragon. When I'm done with the top teeth, I will draw bottom line. Between top and bottom teeth, I will draw a ton, so all the depths of the dragon mouth will show up better. All other area between tongue and teeth I will color in brown. I will use the darkest green I have for the scales on my shoulders. Black waterproof eyeliner will help us with the dragon eyes. It's like a cat eyes and I want to change a shape so it will be less human-like. I will increase spice under the eyes with the black eyeliner and draw some roughness of the dragon skin on my cheeks. I use red eyeshadow to color my dragon tongue. Take a small pump of concealer and narrow small brush to color dragon teeth. Draw with small strokes and try to not overlap brown contour that we draw previously. Because this is waterproof concealer, it will be easier to add more and do the right thing at first time than to fix it after and redo the whole mouth. It's very important to be careful at this stage. Pay attention to the tips of the teeth. They should be thin and precise. If you will overdraw something, try to turn it to your advantage. After all, it's the art and creativity is very welcome. I feel like I need to put one more layer of concealer and pull up top teeth for Let's Gummy Dragon Smile. We're almost there, guys. For the very last steps, I line top teeth with a black pencil and put more black next to the eyes, just a touch-up. With black liquid eyeliner, I will draw above the line of the spikes and dragon mouth. I'm using dark eyeshadow and coloring between spikes on my jar to add more volume. The last step is to put some more scales whenever you think is needed. And we're all done! What do you think about our dragon? I love this jar, especially from the distance. Thank you so much for watching. You can check out my other Halloween makeup transformations video. Stay in touch, subscribe and comment down below. Love you so much, guys. Bye!